Federation of Haomee has strongly condemned the Kuki-Zo Council over its statements regarding the killing of 6 civilians, demanding immediate legal action from the Manipur government. In a press release issued today by its public secretary, Huiremcha Henba, the Federation alleged that during a meeting in Churchandpur on June 25th, the Kuki-Zo Council admitted responsibility for the May 13 abduction, torture and killing of 6 innocent people from Lailong Waipai. Criticizing both the central and state governments for their perceived inaction, the organization questioned why the Home Department has failed to apprehend the perpetrators despite this public admission. The Federation also highlighted the plight of grieving families who are still awaiting justice, while noting that 32 additional individuals remained missing. The statement also strongly rejected the Kuki-Zo Council's characterization of the Liang Mai community as Kacha Naga, calling it a malicious attempt to misinform the public. The Federation emphasized that the Liang Mai people possess their own unique culture, language and Yeksalai tradition. The release cited a January 9, 2012 order from the Union Ministry of Law and Justice, which officially recognizes the Liang Mai as a separate scheduled tribe to substantiate the matter. The Federation declared that only those ignorant of the land's history will distort these classifications and urged authorities to deploy all necessary measures to arrest the culprits without further delay.